Hey guys, thanks for choosing Lift King. We're here to do a little short video for you how to use your Lift King properly. So we're going to start off first. I pulled the charger onto the lift. We're going to remove the ramps and then we're going to take the unit up and show you how to use it, okay? So we have the ramps on the unit right now and they are sitting in the C-clips, which is how they're supposed to be when you drive the vehicle on. So we're going to pop those off and do the same to this one. Now we're ready to lift the unit up. So your lift basically has three controllers: up button, down lever, and then we have a lock lever over here. So to take the unit up, you're just going to hold your button. So you have safety locks that pop in for you automatically all the way up the lift. So your locks are always on no matter what, unless you disengage them yourself. You'll hear them in a second here as we pass one. And from bottom to top with a pretty heavy car in there, you're about 45 seconds sort of idea. And we're about to pass the lock. You can hear the springs kick in a second. There you go. So what you're going to do is take it to whatever desired height you want. So for example, if the vehicle underneath is roughly 50 inches, we're going to go to the lock that would be above that. It could be in about 20 seconds. And you come over on this side here. These are your locks, and they're popping in your safeties as they go up. So let's say that's the height you're going to want to be at. So you need to clear that lock, and then you're going to use your lowering lever, which is right here, and you're going to slowly lower it back down onto your safeties. Right here. Now that should be the resting position at all times when you're not using the lift. It should always be on the safety. Now, to bring the unit down, you have to raise the unit up, use your lock lever to clear the locks, and then lower the lever. You always have to keep this disengaged completely to make sure you don't catch any locks anywhere. I'm going to lift it up. I'm going to disengage the locks. So our videographer is going to show you all the locks here. So before you lower it down, you want to have a look underneath and make sure you can physically see all four locks. Ours are one of the few units out there that you actually can see the locks by disengaging. The locks are not hidden away in the post. Okay. So now we know they're all four disengaged. You need to keep your hand down on the lever at all times until you're ready to stop. So again, this is our lowering lever. This is our lock lever. I'm going to press the button down here. If I stop, it stops. And we'll take it down. Again, make sure you're always holding the locks until you're ready to stop. You can stop at any point if you want to by letting go of this, letting go of the locks, and let it go back into the safety. So if I do that, I can press this, it'll stay on safety mode. Again, to bring it back down again, you're going to lift it up. We're going to unlock the unit. I'll check underneath, same way we did last time, and then we'll lower the unit. You're going to hold this lever down until you've cleared all of the locks. This is our double XL version, so the lowest lock is about that 2-foot mark. So I've now cleared that. I can let go of the lock and I'll just hold my lever down. It's very important to make sure your locks are always clear as you're lowering them, otherwise you can catch locks. Also very important, when you get up to whatever lock you want to be on, make sure you rest back on your safety and then have a safety check and walk around the lift to make sure all your locks are rested on the locks. Apart from that, enjoy your new lift. Thank you.